How to view my child's home learning on the WEDUC app. First of all, in the bottom right hand corner where the bell is, normally there would be a notification here. If you were to click into that, you would be able to see the member of staff that set the home learning. You click into that, it gives you a little bit of detail around what it is. Come back out of here, click the three lines in the top left hand corner and scroll down to the home learning section and click into here. Once here, click into all and it will show all the current pieces of home learning. The ones that are in orange with the clock, they are current pieces of home learning, and the one with the red with the exclamation mark is an overdue piece of home learning. If we come back out of here and into the to-do list, we will see two different pieces of home learning that have been set by Mr. Worthington, when they were set and the due dates. You click into one of these and scroll down. It will give us the instructions for the task, guidance and success criteria. Also at the bottom is a link to a video from YouTube and a PowerPoint presentation. If we go back out of here, we can go into overdue, and this here is a piece of revision, which is why it's not been marked as completed, because it is just for the student to do at home. But if it was, you could go into there and see what needs to be done. And once your child has done the work and they've ticked in WEDUC that they've completed it, you'll be able to see the work that has been completed in here. Down at the bottom here is the task planner. If you scroll across here, it will show the days where the home learning is due, so that you can keep a track of and prioritise the pieces of work and when they're due in. For example, here the top one, Structure of the Heart, is due in later than the bottom one, so you can get the bottom piece of home learning done first.
How to access home learning for my child using the web-based version. Over on the right hand side here, you'll see the tab for home learning. Just click into this, and here is my assigned tasks. Similar to the app, the orange clock symbolises that this is currently being worked on, and the red exclamation mark here is something that's overdue. Click into the piece of home learning that you want to do or you want to see. Submission is in class, the type is home learning, start date is the 26th, the due date is the 11th. It's expected that this will take around 30 minutes. Here you can now look at what the task is, the guidance and the success criteria. And at the bottom we've got a link to a YouTube video and also to a PowerPoint presentation for the information. Up here we can click that this has been done or that it's been handed in. If you know that your child's done that, or if your child's done it. And then we can go back into assigned tasks. It will now change this to a tick to say that that's been done. Over here we have our task planner. This will give us when homework is due in, so that we can prioritise which pieces to do. You'll notice that the red one has disappeared now because that was due on that day. The one that we've ticked as done is gone into green, and the one that needs to be completed is still in orange. If we carry on across, you'll notice that the green one was actually due in later than the orange one. This will help your child to prioritise home learning so that they can complete the task that's due in sooner.